Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion Y540. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion Y540 can't even last through a meeting, you're not alone. This is a common issue that arises from battery degradation over time. If left unchecked, it can severely hinder your productivity, leaving you unable to complete tasks when you need your laptop the most. Fortunately, replacing the battery can restore your device's performance and reliability. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new battery compatible with the Lenovo Legion Y540, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from any static discharge. Start by ensuring your laptop is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of your Lenovo Legion Y540. Carefully insert the plastic opening tool into the seam between the back panel and the laptop's chassis. Gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back panel is removed, locate the battery. It will be a large rectangular component with a connector leading to the motherboard. To remove the battery, first disconnect the cable by gently lifting the connector away from the motherboard. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment and set it aside. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, making sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the back panel, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no loose screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the chassis and gently pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. To verify that everything works correctly, power on your Lenovo Legion Y540 and check that the battery is charging and holding a charge as expected. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, try to avoid keeping your laptop plugged in all the time and regularly calibrate your battery by allowing it to drain fully and then charging it back to 100%. This will help maintain its health over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.